The NETGEAR AC1900 USB adapter offers impressive wireless speeds up to 1.9 gigabits per second, making it ideal for high-definition streaming and online gaming. Its dual-band capability ensures faster and more reliable connections across various Wi-Fi networks, enhancing the overall user experience. The adapter is designed to be versatile, supporting both Windows and Mac operating systems, which broadens its compatibility with different devices. Equipped with advanced beamforming technology, it significantly boosts the speed, range, and reliability of Wi-Fi connections. The inclusion of a magnetic cradle provides a convenient mounting option, allowing for flexible placement and optimal signal reception. Installation is simplified with the NETGEAR Genie app, which also offers easy network management and monitoring features.